Hello, my name is Sandra Shaw. The 5 self-assessments that I will be discussing are my noble purpose, 27 things I want to do before I die, my fantasy job, my life in 2028, and my disposition assessment. My noble purpose is to motivate people to become educated and be positive and successful. I feel this is a noble purpose, and it is why I became a school counselor. I love to motivate students to be the best that they can be. 27 things I want to do before I die seems to evolve around traveling and education. I would like to travel around the world and visit many places. As for education, I would be a professional student if I could. My fantasy job also involves traveling and education. My fantasy job is to travel around the world and document different places. My life in 2028 involves working in education and being around family. I want to live near my family and eventually teach online college courses to students. My disposition assessment is an evaluation of some of my strengths and weaknesses. 3 of my top strengths are character and integrity, which I feel that one is my top strength because I feel that I am very authentic and honest. My second top strength is collaboration, and I feel that that one is another one of my strengths because I feel that I do collaborate with others well. And my third one is personal and interpersonal skills. And I really try to be personal with people. And my 2 weaknesses are communication and visionary leadership. Communication, I feel that I do communicate well, but sometimes I do get nervous, and that is something that I really need to work on. And as for visionary leadership, I have been in a leadership role because I own my own business, but this is a different type of leadership role that I'm in now, and I just need to work on it. Thank you. Have a great day.